Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo Fire Sign. This is April monthly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Leo Fire Sign. What are the messages for Leo? What are the messages for Leo? Lot of cards, that's why I'm not taking any. I think this is soulmate connection. This is mutual love between both of you. And this could be long distance relationship for some. For some, the same cycle repeating between you and your person again and again. I think for some who are in separation, reunion is coming, reconciliation is coming. Those who are in separation, those who are not in separation, maybe this relationship is going to be next level. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 3 of Cups, Ace of Cups and Judgment. I think you made some major decision regarding this relationship in recent past, Leo. So it could be anything. Maybe I think it is a positive decision because Ace of Cups with 3 of Cups. So celebration in love, reunion maybe. For I think there is some celebration in recent past and you made a very positive decision regarding this relationship. And there is love, there is celebration. Everything was fine in past. Then present, 9 of Cups, 7 of Swords and 6 of Pentacles. Your wishes are going to be granted, 9 of Cups energy. But I think there is some lies. Maybe your person lying to you, cheated on you. There is something sneaky in this connection, 7 of Swords energy. Maybe in recently you came to know about the truth of your person. Maybe something. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection for some. You only person always taking care of this relationship. There is no equal give and take, 7 of Swords with 6 of Pentacles. So then future, King of Wands, 5 of Wands and Page of Pentacles. So some communication is coming, but you are standing by your power. Now you are very grounded. See how confident you are. Now you are no more dependent on anyone. You are very grounded and now you are power by. Now you stand by your power. But there is a lot of drama still going between you and your person, 5 of Wands energy. Maybe they are fighting for your attention because now you started focusing on yourself, Leo. That's why they're missing your attention. They're fighting for your attention because they are sneaky. For some, your person is sneaky, playing games with you. There is something, maybe for some your person hiding something from you. And Page of Pentacles, maybe for some children's also involved in this connection. And maybe your person is immature. So there is a message, communication is coming. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water energy, then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but lot of water energy is here, then fire energy. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you, then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. Page of Princess of Pentacles, again there is communication text coming, Leo. So let's see your person feelings towards you. Lot of cards. So Leo, your person feelings. Your person feelings towards you. Chariot. Your person feelings towards you, Princess of Wands. And yeah, there is communication is coming for sure because the Chariot, they want to move the things with you. Maybe if you are in no contact situation, maybe you are in on and off connection, but they want to send some message. They want to keep tabs on you. They want to test the waters. So definitely there is message coming towards you. For some, they will call you very soon. There is communication and maybe one person in this connection having options. So let's see their near future actions towards you, Leo. Your person actions towards you. Six of Cups, Wheel of Fortune, and Emperor. Yeah, they want reconciliation. If you are in separation with your person, Six of Cups, they're thinking about you a lot. Again, they're taking their time to come towards you because Wheel of Fortune, divine timing, and the Emperor. Definitely this time they want to marry you. They want to stand for you. Maybe in past they hurt you because Seven of Swords energy, they played games with you, but now they want reconciliation with you, and they keep eye on you, they keep tabs on you, they want to send some message. There is communication coming very soon, and yeah, they're thinking about reconciliation, and they're thinking about. So right now maybe your person is not talking to you because the Hermit, right now they are undergoing some spiritual awakening, and the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome, Leo. But they will call you very soon because lot of communication cards. Page of Pentacles, again Seven of Swords, Eight of Cups. Maybe in past they hurt you. They're juggling. Maybe your person have options. They hurt you in past. They maybe backstabbed you and they walked away. Now they're feeling regret. Now they want to come back. For some, again your person may be playing games with you. Be careful because Seven of Swords energy is very sneaky, and 2 times it came. Maybe the last reading is Capricorn also got the same 2 times Seven of Swords card. Maybe there's something sneaky in this connection. Maybe for some you person really playing games with you, and maybe for some you person juggling. They have options also. It depends, everyone's situation is different, so I'm only giving messages to you. So Seven of Swords and Eight of Cups, maybe. So let's see 2 more cards, then we will get. Yeah, you are guarded up right now because maybe there is no trust. You are not trusting your person, Leo, that's why you are guarded up. Yeah, maybe you know they are giving you false hopes, that's why you are guarded up. You are protecting your emotions from this drama. Yeah, there I think it is lot of drama going, that's why you are guarded up right now because there is no trust. Yeah, I think you are focusing on yourself, and yes, there is separation between both of you, but maybe one person in this connection feeling sad and one person walking towards their career and goals. I think if they again coming back, there is no trust. I think there is no trust between both of you. Trust issues. In past, maybe they walked away from you, now they're feeling regret. So let's see your overall energy for the month. So what I'm getting here, you are guarded up right now, you are not going to available to them, but there is text is coming, communication is coming, but there is no trust. Yeah, you are stand by your power now, you are very grounded, you are thinking about them a lot. Yeah, this connection creates a lot of anxiety, depression in you, and still there is attraction between both of you, but you want to start a new beginning in your life without this person. So let's see your person overall energy, Leo, for the month. They want brand new beginnings with you. They want to work on this relationship. And Gemini, maybe they're physically attracted to you more than emotional. And King of Swords, there is communication is coming. For some, your person may be really changing. It depends. I already told you because this is general. This is not a general. Sorry, this is a general reading. That's why. Only take messages, not whole reading. If it resonates whole reading, you will take, but otherwise you only have to take messages which resonates to you. So let's see some messages from your person and through this channel. Healing. Please wait for me. Reunion is coming. Second chances, and I am serious about you. Yeah, for some your person may be really changing for you. Those who are not in third party, any third party involved. So maybe that person is really changing for you, reunion is coming for that, and for some healing, and please wait for me, and I'm very attracted to you. These are the messages. So let's pull some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Leo. A personal issue reaches resolution, full moon in Cancer. So if you have any problem, especially a personal issue, it is going to be resolved very soon. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.